So to use the dimension tool, we first start off by selecting it over here. And we have three options. We have this, which is the linear dimension. This is the angular dimension, and this is the radial dimension. And let's start by using the linear dimension. This tool can be used for showing the distance between 2 points. So for instance, we can measure this point to this point, and then I can drag it up like this and place it wherever I want it to be placed. And this will measure how wide my circle is. Of course, I can also use it to measure the distance from this circle to this square right here and put it right here. Now let's move to the angular dimension. This tool is used for measuring angles. So you can take this tool and go to an angle. For instance, we can measure this corner right here by clicking at this side and then going to the other side and click one time at this. And then we can drag this illustration up wherever we want it to be placed. You can even place it outside the square, you can place it inside, or you can even measure the angle outside the square. Then for the radial tool can of course only be used on circles because that's the only shape that has a consistent radius. So for this, just go to the circle, go to the outside of the circle, and here we can simply click one time wherever we want it to be placed. And here we have the radius. And if you want to change the font or the width of these lines right here, you can go to this gear tool right here. And in this pop-up right here, you can change whatever you want, like line weight is the width of the stroke right here. And down here you can change the font. Just be aware that you need to do this before you draw all your lines. Lines you already have drawn is not gonna change. You can still change the lines you have drawn though, by simply selecting them and then changing them up here. So use this in your next project. If you like this video, you can hit the like button, or you can watch this next video that YouTube recommends for you.